React has dominated front-end development for years, but something interesting is happening in 2026. More developers are exploring frameworks like Next.js, Svelte, Vue and Nuxt. So, is React finally losing its crown? Not exactly. The real reason developers are switching might surprise you. React is still one of the most popular technologies for building user interfaces, but modern web applications need much more than UI components. Developers also need routing, server-side rendering, data fetching, performance optimization, APIs, SEO, and deployment tools. Developers want more than UI. One of the biggest examples is Next.js. Next.js is built on React, but adds many features developers need to build complete web applications. It provides routing, server-side rendering, static generation, API capabilities, and performance optimizations. So many developers aren't actually leaving React. They're moving from React alone to a complete React framework. Another framework getting attention is Svelte. Unlike React, Svelte uses a compiler to transform your components during the build process. This can reduce the amount of JavaScript that needs to run in the browser. For developers who care about performance and simplicity, that's a very attractive idea. Then there's Vue. Vue is known for its approachable syntax and flexible development experience. And when developers want a complete Vue framework, Nuxt adds features such as routing, server rendering, and full-stack capabilities. So why are developers exploring these frameworks? It's mainly about productivity, performance, developer experience, and having more features built into the framework. Modern developers don't just want to build components, they want to build complete applications faster. So, should you stop learning React? Definitely not. React still has a massive ecosystem, a huge community and strong demand. The important change is that developers are increasingly learning React together with modern frameworks. React isn't necessarily being replaced. The ecosystem is evolving. So if you're learning web development in 2026, don't just ask, should I learn React? Ask, what can I build with React and a modern framework? Which would you choose? React, Next.js, Vue, or Svelte? Let me know in the comments.